Here guys is question 18 on exercise, what's a 1.4? Okay, 1.4 question 18. It's on for you, thank you. So, what we're going to get here guys is 2i multiplied by u squared, whatever u squared is. U squared is the same thing as 2 plus 3i 2b squared, which is 2 plus 3i multiplied by another 2 plus 3i. You then multiply them out in the usual fashion. You get 4 plus 6i, you get another 6i, and then you get a 9i squared. Okay. Then what happens next is the 9i squared is the same thing as what guys? 9 times minus 1, which is the same thing as minus 9. So it's 4 plus 12i minus 9. Finally, 4 minus 9 minus 5 plus 12i. Some of ye aren't doing this part here. You aren't squaring it out properly and writing down all the numbers. That's where I'm seeing most of the mistakes. The same common mistake as that one there. Now, would you have that done? Yes, Dennis? Is it about this one here? Yes, what is it? This here? And you multiply it out? Okay. Well, guys, Dennis, it's the u that's getting squared, not the 2i. So what you do is you do u squared on its own first, and then multiply by 2i. So this answer here is now going to get multiplied by 2i. 2i times 5, minus 5, minus 10i. 2i times 12i, 24i squared. What is the 24i squared? Minus 24. Minus 24 minus 10i. Okay, Sam, you heard that? Okay. Now, 22 followed by 23. What about 22, guys? Said 1 by said 3. How'd you do that, Mick? Yeah. Okay. Then what? Yeah. What you get? Yeah. Yeah. What happens to the 3i squared? Sorry, no. Minus 3 and 3i are like two different objects. It's like saying one of them's 3 computers and the other one's 3 water bottles. They're completely different. They can't interact, okay? So, 3i plus 2i, 5i. Now, 2 minus 3, minus 1, and then minus 1 plus. How many people got minus 1 plus 5i for 22? Okay, the majority. Well done. Now, I think the ones that cause the hassle, in my opinion, are the ones where you have to square it first, and then you have something at the end that you have to multiply it in by. They're the ones that are causing all the hassle. Dennis? This here? I haven't done 23 yet, but I will do it. Okay. It's the same thing as last time, Dennis. The I is on the outside. The I isn't being squared. What's being squared is the Z1. So Z1 is 1 plus I. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the different side of the board, and what we're going to do is get 1 plus I squared after it. It's 1 plus I multiplied by 1 plus I, which is 1 plus I plus another I plus an I squared. What is I squared? Minus 1. What's 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1? 0. I plus I? I plus I, guys? 2i. Now, this here, Dennis, we squared it out, and it turns into 2i. What we haven't done is multiplied by the I on the outside. So that's still there. I times 2i, 2i squared. 2 times minus 1, minus 2. Okay,